Hey, Coach Craig here, and if you are dealing with flabby arms and you want to tone them, then this is the workout for you. We have a quick fat burning workout. It's gonna be seated. We're focusing on arms, so let's get started. We are gonna start up with the good old arm circle. It's a great way to warm up our upper body, get blood flowing, get our arms nice and loose. So here we go, 30 seconds, 3, 2, 1, let's get it. So arms out to the side. We'll start with forward. We're going small, then more medium, and then get a little bigger with your circles. We're gonna switch sides in 3, 2, 1. Let's rotate backwards now. Again, small, really reach with your fingertips to your side. Boom, go medium. Go bigger. Make sure you're breathing. 3, 2, 1, and done. I feel good, I feel ready to go. We have the tricep press. Next, all we're doing is pushing your hands together as if in prayer hands. You're gonna get your arms overhead. This is gonna be your position right here. We want our elbows bent, and all we're doing is pressing overhead and squeezing the whole time. So we really wanna make sure we're contracting our triceps here. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, let's get it. So boom, really stretch them out, and then squeeze, boom. Hopefully you have less hair than I do, so it doesn't get in your way. But just really squeeze here and squeeze at the top. Also try to stay upright as best you can. Also engage with your core, push your feet against the ground. Turns into a full body exercise. 3, 2, 1, and down. Oh, triceps. I'm already feeling it, but we are not done yet. We have punches. Let's get some cardio. Let's get some fat burning stuff here. We're just alternating between punching in front of you. Do whatever type of punch you want. The name of the game is keep your arms up. Don't let your arms drop low. Boom, we're here. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. There it is. Keep that core tight. Keep those arms up. Want to get back to guard, bring the arm that's not throwing the punch back to your cheek. Got to protect yourself at all times. There it is. You can go nice and slow for this one and speed it up as you get more comfortable. Boom. All you're doing is you're just having your palm face you and rotating it down. You're going to feel it all up in your arms. 3, 2, 1, and done. Great job. Next, we have some arm pulses. We're gonna keep that tension up. Here we go, arms will be out to the side, and we're just gonna focus on, you could do ones in front of you, you could do ones to the side, you could do ones behind you, whatever you prefer. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, let's go. I'm gonna do mine to the side, really help work on my shoulders and upper arms. Just small, steady pulses. We're not jumping all the way down to the ground. We're not going all the way up. Just stay right here in this pocket. Again, you could do some in front of you like this. Work out your front of your shoulders, front of your arms. You could do them behind you. Work out more of triceps, or you could do lateral raises like this. Again, pick your poison or antidote, whatever you want to call it. 3, 2, 1, and drop. Great job. Last, we're just gonna do an overhead reach and squeeze. Think of it as a standard shoulder press. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, so arms out to the side. We're gonna reach overhead, squeeze at the top, and then on the way back, squeeze your shoulder blades. Boom, just like that. So reach again, as tall as you can. Pull those shoulders back. Make sure you're breathing. There it is. Squeeze. Boom, so reach, extend, and pull. One more here. Come on, 3, 2, 1, and done. Great job. Shake it out. Shake out your upper body. I know it feels like tense. You're like, oh gosh, you got two more sets of this? Yes, you do. And you're gonna crush it. So grab smart if you need to. I'm gonna stop talking. Music's going up. Let's have some fun, baby. Arm circle. 3, 2, 1, go.
Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops.
Switch in 3, 2, 1, switch. 3, 2, 1, done. Tricep press, 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, done. Punches, 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, done. Arm pulse, 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, done. Overhead reach with squeeze. 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, done. Great job. Second set done. One more to go. I know you're tired. My arms are tired, but let's push ourselves for this last set. We got this. Here we go.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
Switch in 3, 2, 1, switch. Come on, I know your arms are tired. Keep going, you got this. Three, 2, 1, done. Tricep press, 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, done. Punches, 3, 2, 1, go. Keep punching, keep swinging. Pretend it's someone you don't like in front of you, or maybe a situation or an obstacle in your way. Come on, get rid of it, punch it out. Three, 2, 1, done. Arm pulse, 3, 2, 1, go. I know the fatigue is starting to set into your arms. Keep going. You got this. Come on. This is where it counts. Three, 2, 1, done. Overhead reach with squeeze. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, done. And there you have it. That is how you burn fat and get rid of flabby arms. This is the workout that's going to get you there. Feel free to come back to these type of workouts, especially the arm ones, daily, weekly, whatever you want. If you like this video, go ahead and leave comments. Let us know if you want more of this, less of this. Either way, we are here for you guys in your health and fitness journey. We have so many more coming your way, so click the notification bell to stay on top of any new ones dropping. I will see you in the next video. Stay strong, my friend. Peace. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes updated daily.